It's been a few months since we released the first survey to decide which parts to put in our DIY electric skateboard store, and even longer since we considered making our own Shopify store. But today's video is going to be about the release of our brand new online store called Propulsion Boards. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the creation of this company and also some of the many products that we sell. So stick around to learn about what products you can buy from our store. Alright, so here's our brand new website designed with Shopify. The website is called Propulsion Boards. Right here. So here we are on the home page. We have a few quick links at the top that you can get to go around the website faster. There's a products, a customize your own electric skateboard, and an about section for those newcomers. All of our orders for the moment are pre-orders. Check the product description for availability. As soon as we start getting some orders, we're going to start shipping some stuff out faster for you guys. But for now, most things are pre-orders. We only have one or two things in the inventory for each product, so the first ones to buy stuff will get their order shipped out right away, but if there's more people that buy them, it might be a little bit longer, a few weeks. So here we are on the home page. There's a cool picture of us riding at the top, and then there's a slideshow with some of our products that we personally really like. There's some quick links on them. You can press right here, it'll go straight to the site. There's also some other stuff about our YouTube channel and just our goal and the mission with this company. And at the bottom we have two collections. There's the individual parts, and then there's also the customize your own electric skateboard. And at the very bottom we have some of our policies, again our products at the bottom, and some quick links right here. So you can click on individual parts, for example, and all of the parts on our websites are sold here. You can also get to the same place by going to products at the top. This will just have everything. Customize your electric skateboard. It's not a built-in board builder feature like we would have liked to do, which may be coming in the near future, but you can go here, email us right here at diyelectricsskateboardparts@gmail.com. We will contact you back. You just tell us what kind of board you want, the specs, what kind of parts you're thinking about using. We'll make it work for you, and then as soon as we figured out an estimate for the cost, we'll email you guys back and you'll be able to pay for it within our website, and we'll ship that board out to you within however long it takes us to get the part, plus a few weeks to build the board. So here's the About Us section. It basically just explains how we ended up where we are in the electric skateboard scene. Obviously YouTube has been a big part of it, and now we just want to help people in the DIY community fulfill their needs for DIY skateboards. We think that it's a really important and growing market just for the future. We are having an issue with the site right now where if you try to put the quantity in inside the website right here like other people do, we can't do that. So simply just add the product to your cart, and then once you're inside the cart, you can change the quantity to whatever number you want, whether it be 3 or 2 or whatever the answer is. There you go. So that's just an FYI for all you guys that are curious about that. Okay, so the last thing we're going to talk about is the exact products that we are selling. So the first product that we're going to be selling is a 10S4P Samsung 30Q battery. We're going to have these batteries made specifically for us. They're going to be a 10S4P configuration, so it's a good balance between speed and range. It's going to include a charge port, a percentage indicator, and an on-off switch. It's going to have 60 amps discharge, that's 15 amps each cell, 4 in parallel, 432 watt hours. The BMS is going to be upgraded in the pack, so it's going to have 80 amp continuous current, which is more than the pack can even output. We wanted to make sure that it was the highest quality pack, and to us this is the ultimate battery. We use a configuration similar to this in all of our builds. We also sell grip tape. That's pretty self-explanatory. We sell a 6355 180 kV motor and a 6374 190 kV motor. These, for the moment, have the Maytech logo on them. We'll put our own logo up in the corner in it once we get those from Maytech. There's obviously the custom board, which we talked about earlier. And one of the most exciting products that we're selling are these double Kingpin trucks for electric skateboarders. They're made by Ownboard, but you'll notice they have the exact same design as the Evolve trucks. So these trucks may look a slightly different on the hanger and the shape of the hanger, but they have the exact same dimensions. You can use the exact same motor mounts from Evolve, use the exact same wheel pulleys. and it's a really cool option for DIY builds. Next we have a standard electric skateboard pulley. It's going to be 15 millimeters wide, 15 tooth. And then one of our other really big products that we're excited to announce we're selling is this Evolve motor mount for 63 millimeter motors. This image right here obviously is just our Fusion 360 drawing. That's not actually what it's going to look like. We've made some modifications since then to send to the manufacturer. But this mount is going to fit those onboard trucks. It's going to fit the actual Evolve trucks if you choose to buy those. And it's going to allow you to adapt 63 millimeter motors to the Evolve trucks. That's something that we personally love doing in our DIY builds. We do it on almost every single one of them. And now you can buy these mounts from us. They're custom made by us that we designed. And as soon as we get some orders for this, we'll start shipping them. We are also going to be selling the Flip-Sky's Dual 6.6 VESC. A lot of people sell this product, but we're just adding it so you can buy everything from one place. We've got a wide variety of belts you can choose from. They're all 15 millimeters wide because that's what we believe electric skateboards should be using. And then we have 4 length options just to accommodate for different gearings. And when you order these belts, it'll come as a set of 2 pieces. So you'll get 2 belts. We also have this send us extra money. This is just if we need you to do, if you need us to do a repair, you can just use this tool and change the amount on it. Also, this is what we're going to be using for the custom board. As soon as we give you a price, you just put the number for the price with this send us extra money. Another thing we're going to be selling is what we call the ultimate drivetrain. This is basically the drivetrain we've used in every single one of our recent electric skateboard builds. It's the Evolve trucks, which in our case will be the onboard truck with our custom motor mount. It's going to be using massive 100 millimeter BOA wheels, dual 6374 motors, 15 millimeter wide 15 tooth pulleys, and a 38 tooth pulley on the wheel. It's literally the most powerful drivetrain that we could think of making and selling. We've already pre-built it for you, so all you need to do is combine it with 2 VESCs or a dual VESC and then a battery and a receiver. So we're trying to make this as easy for you guys, for those people who don't have the proper tools to make that. And then we're also going to be selling a deck. This is again sort of just so you can buy everything from one place if you need to. It's the top mount bottlenose deck, which we use quite frequently in our personal builds. It's a really good deck for electric skateboards because it's kind of stiff but not too stiff, that way the battery won't flex. It also has the right shape so that there's no wheel bite, and it's also nice, long, and stable. We also have VESC sensor wires. Surprisingly, there's not many places where you can buy sensor wires within the US, so oftentimes we find ourselves buying them from Flip-Sky and having to pay the massive shipping fee that they have to ship it from China. So here we have it for people in the US. It's only $3. That's just a convenience thing. And then another star of our show, the VX1 Remote controller. We've upgraded it to the 850 milliamp hour battery, so it has 70% more capacity than the regular VX1 controller. It works great with almost any VESC or ESC in general. It works with the VESC 6, VESC 4, or any PPM based ESC. We're going to release a video on this remote because we recently tested it out, but it's a really great remote for DIY. The second remote option we have is the Flip-Sky VX2 remote controller with its own OLED display to show you your speed and how much battery you have left. So there you have it. Those are all the products that we have for sale now. If you're watching this video right now, that means that this website is live. You can go check it out in the description below. We'll put a link to it and you can click on it and it'll take you straight to our website. It's been about a year since we published our very first YouTube video with the intention of teaching people how we built our boards so it would be easier for them than it was for us to build the first board. The purpose of this company is to continue this and give back to the DIY community, to show them some good examples of parts to buy and give them the opportunity to buy the exact parts that we use in all of our builds that are our daily drivers, all in one place. So once again, if you love the boards that we build in our videos, make sure to go check out our website. We'll build you a custom board if you want, or if you're just looking for parts, we sell plenty of high quality electric skateboard components for almost any build. So go make sure to check out propulsion boards, the link's in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to us, and we'll see you guys in the next video.